some more examples on integrations again. Now first example, integration dx upon a plus b e raised to x is equal to dash dash. MST CET ला विचारलेला question. Now integration of this. Now I take e raised to x as a common. Then I write integration dx upon e raised to x out. Then a into e raised to minus x plus b. याच्यामध्ये इथे e raised to x नाही आहे. No e raised to x here, therefore e raised to x out. Therefore here e raised to minus x and then plus b. E raised to x numerator, that is e raised to minus x divided by a into e raised to minus x plus b dx. Now check the derivative of the denominator. Denominator चा derivative numerator ला adjust करायचं असेल तर denominator चा derivative a into e raised to minus x into minus derivative of denominator, that is a into e raised to minus x into minus 1. This is the derivative of denominator. Adjust at numerator, therefore I write minus 1 by a into minus a e raised to minus x divided by a into e raised to minus x plus b dx. Here adjustment, a cancel, minus minus cancel, original again, original. And now the derivative of the denominator at numerator, therefore its answer is minus 1 by a log of denominator, log of modulus a into e raised to minus x plus b plus c. This is the answer. Denominator चा derivative numerator ला maintain होत असेल तर integration चा answer log of denominator, log of denominator, that is log of a into e raised to minus x plus b, that is check the options, minus 1 by log a option, a option. Next example, if integration 1 by x square plus 4 x square plus 9 dx is equal to a into tan inverse x by 2 plus b into tan inverse x by 3 plus c, then a minus b. We have to find integration of this and compare with this, find a and b then, and then we want a minus b. MST CET 2017 का विचारला question. In this integrand, there are two quadratic factors. Therefore, by partial fraction or direct adjustment, I write this as a integration 1 by x square plus 4 and the second is x square plus 9. Now, I am making separation. Hey, into मध्ये separate करते by using partial fraction, but it is direct. X square plus 9 here, then here as a 1, x square plus 4 here as a 1. हा इकडे ट्रान्सफर होईल x square plus 9 and this is x square plus 4 मायनस केल्यानंतर 9 minus 4, that is 5. 5 adjust करावं लागेल आपल्याला, that is 1 by 5, 1 by 5. This is again given integration. Given integration मेंटेन होते का क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाय x न्यूमरेटर ला काय देईल x square plus 9 minus this is cross x square plus 4 divided by just product and x square plus 9 minus, therefore this cancel, 9 minus 4 it is 5. Numerator ला 5 आणायचा, 5 येईल, therefore adjustment 5 1 by 5. Yes, it is separation directly, then its integration is very easy. I is equal to 1 by 5 integration 1 by x square plus a square 1 by a 1 by 2 tan inverse x by 2 minus again 1 by 3 tan inverse x by 3 and plus c constant of integration 1 by 5 inside 1 by 10 tan inverse minus 1 by 15 tan inverse x by 3. Now compare with this tan inverse x by 2, therefore a is equal to 1 by 10 and b is equal to, compare with this, b is equal to minus 1 by 15, b is equal to minus 1 by 15. a minus b करायचं आहे, a minus b is equal to 1 by 10 minus minus plus 1 by 15. Simplification of this, common denominator, that is 30, here 3, here 2, 3 plus 2, 5 by 30. 5 by 30 means it is 1 by 6. That is a option. Check. Next example number 3. Integration e raised to tan x inside the bracket sec square x plus sec cube x sin x dx is equal to dash dash. ज्यावेळी इंटेग्रल मध्ये एक्सपोनेन्शियल फंक्शन आलेलं असतं आणि ब्रॅकेट मध्ये प्लस मायनस मध्ये दोन फंक्शन, त्यावेळी या टाइपचा विचार करायचा. इंटिग्रेशन e रेज टू x f of x plus f dash x dx. Its answer is e raised to x f of x plus c. This is the type. Now here no standard one e raised to tan x, non-standard मध्ये. Therefore here is the substitution. Substitution काय दिली असणार? Tan x, therefore substitution it is tan x. Therefore tan x derivative is x square x. Take x square x out. Then I is equal to integration e raised to tan x. Sec square x out. Inside the bracket 1 plus sec x into sin x dx. That is e tan sec square 1 plus sec means 1 by cos, and therefore sin by cos I write directly it is a tan x dx. Put tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t, its derivative sec square x dx dt. Therefore I is equal to integration e raised to t sec square x dx as a dt. This bracket becomes 1 plus t dt. Now this is of this type, e raised to t. T चा derivative 1 आहे. Therefore its answer is e raised to t into t just. Resubstitute t is equal to tan e raised to tan x into tan x plus c. That is the answer. E raised to tan x into tan x plus c. C option. Check. Next example number 4. Integration sin inverse x dx is equal to. Integration sin inverse x dx is equal to. Now this it is not standard one. Therefore we use integration by parts. I take 1 into sin inverse x dx. This has a u function, this has a v function. Then it is equal to sin inverse x as it is. 1 integration it is x minus integration derivative of this sin inverse 1 upon square root 1 minus x square into integration 1 again x dx. And this is x sin inverse x minus I write just plus then 1 by 2. This minus I write inside minus 2x upon square root 1 minus x square dx. This minus inside minus 2. Two adjustment dila 2 and 2x. Then this. Now put a square 1 minus x square as a t. 1 minus x square as a t. Then minus 2x dx as a dt. Therefore this is dt. X sin inverse as it is. This is just carry plus 1 by 2. This is dt upon square root t, and square root t 1 by square root t integration root t upon 1 by 2. That is plus 1 by 2. Its integration is root t upon 1 by 2. 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Therefore answer is x sin inverse x. This root 2. Root 2 means root t means plus square root 1 minus x square. X sin inverse plus square root 1 minus x square. D option. Check करा. D option. Next example, integration x f of x dx is equal to 1 by 2 f of x. Then f of x is equal to what? Question. Now integration of this is given. Therefore derivative of this again integrand. I write 1 by 2 as a derivative. Derivative of this 1 by 2 f dash x is equal to derivative of this nothing but integrand. Integrand is this x f of x f of x. This. Therefore f of x transfer f dash x upon f of x is equal to 2x. Now integrating this again, integration f dash x upon f of x dx is equal to its integration 2x integration x square. Now integration f dash x upon f of x dx, it is theorem log f of x is equal to x square. Now f of x is equal to invert e raised to x square. Therefore f of x is equal to e raised to x square. D option. Next example, integration 1 cos x upon cos 3x dx is equal to dash dash. Now cos upon cos 3x, I write this cos x upon cos, here 3x cos 3 theta, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Now denominator cos x common and cancel, 1 by 4 cos square x minus 3. This is of the type a plus b sin square or a minus a plus b cos square x type. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. डिवाइड करूया. 1 बाय cos स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय होणार, 1 बाय cos स्क्वेअर डिवाइडेड बाय 4 minus 3 upon cos square x. That is, it is sec square x, denominator 4 minus 3 sec square. That is equal to, I write sec square x as it is upon 4 minus 3 sec square 1 plus tan square. That is sec square x, denominator 4 minus 3 tan square. That is sec square x upon 4 minus 3 1 minus 3 tan square. Now 3 common, that is 1 by 3 integration sec square x 1 by 3 minus tan square. Put tan x equal to t. Tan x equal to t टाकला काय होणार, tan x tan चा डेरिवेटिव sec square x, डेरिवेटिव tan sec square x, therefore sec square x dx as a dt, tan x as a t. Therefore 1 by 3 sec square x dx dt upon 1 by root 3 then minus t square. Now this is of the type 1 by a square minus x square type. Integration 1 by a square minus x square type. Its formula is 1 by 2a log modulus a plus x a minus x. Answer of this, that is equal to, I write here 1 by 3, a means 1 by root 3, 1 by 2a, 1 by 2 times 1 by root 3 log modulus a plus a means 1 by root 3 plus t upon 1 by root 3 minus t. That is, this root 3 cancel with here root 3, that is 1 by 2 times root 3. Outside ला 1 by 2 times root 3 आला पाहिजे. Outside ला इकडे आहे 1 by 2 times root 3 हे 2. आणि फॉर्म्युला काय करतोय, न्यूमरेटरला प्लस डिनॉमिनेटरला मायनस. न्यूमरेटरला प्लस कुठे आहे याच्यामध्ये, डी ला. पुढे सोडवायची काही गरज नाही. आन्सर डी. Next example, integration 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx is equal to dash dash. This is a special type. We have studied this in state board. This is special type. Now we express numerator as 3x plus 4 is equal to a into d by dx of denominator x square plus 6x plus 5 plus a into d by dx of denominator plus b. That is 3x plus 4 is equal to a into derivative of this 2x plus 6 plus b. That is 2x plus 6a plus b. Now just comparison, x coefficient comparison, 2a is equal to 3 and 6a plus b is equal to 4. Therefore a is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. That is everywhere 3 by 2. Therefore next is b. 6 into 3 by 2 plus b is equal to 4. 2 3s are 6. 9. b is equal to 4 minus 9. It is minus 5. minus 5 चे दोन आहेत, एक b आहे आणि एक d आहे. b आणि d मधला ऑप्शन येऊन जाईल. b is equal to minus 5. Now I write this integration a is equal to 3 by 2 into d by dx of x square plus 6x plus 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b as a minus 5 upon separate denominator I write x square plus 6x plus 5. Therefore, its answer is 3 by 2 log x square plus 6x plus 5. Already here. I solve just only second. Second I solve minus 5 integration. This is two factors of this x plus 1, x plus 5. Now its partial fraction is easy adjustment type, that is x plus 1, x plus 5. This is cross x plus 5, x plus 1, x plus 5 minus x plus 1, that is it is 4 needed, therefore upon 4 हाँ cross के अंदर x plus 5 हाँ minus x minus 1 x cancel हो जाए 5 minus 1 it is 4 needed minus 5 by 4, that is what minus 5 by 4 B level, B option. Next example, integration square root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x dx is equal to dash dash. MST seat la विचारला example. Now I write this integration square root 1 minus x 1 plus x. Just rationalize, that is I write 1 minus x upon 1 minus x. Therefore numerator 1 minus x square and square root cancel. Therefore 1 minus x divided by denominator a plus b a minus b, a square minus b square. Separate denominator 1 by square root 1 minus x square minus integration x upon square root 1 minus x square dx. Its integration is sin inverse x, no doubt. I write plus this minus I write inside 1 by 2 adjustment, then minus 2x upon square root 1 minus x square. That is now 1 minus x square as a t Tuckner, then its derivative is minus 2x dx. 1 minus x square as a t minus 2x dx as a dt, then it becomes 1 by root t. 1 by root t sort of integration root t upon 1 by 2 cancel. Root t means this 1 minus x square. That is answer is sin inverse x plus square root 1 minus x square. That is sin inverse x plus square root 1 minus x square. A option. Next example. If integration 4 e raised to x minus 25 upon 2 into e raised to x minus 5 is equal to x plus b into log 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus c. MST CT 2016 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन आहे. That is we express numerator is equal to 4 e raised to x minus 25 is equal to a into denominator 2 e raised to x minus 5 plus b into d by dx of denominator. D by dx of denominator is what 2 into e raised to x minus 5. We express numerator like this. Express numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into d by dx of denominator. That is 2a e raised to x minus 5a plus its derivative 2 times e raised to x same. That is 2b e raised to x. 5 derivative 0 neglected. This is what 4 e raised to x minus 25. 4 e raised to x minus 25. Now e raised to x just two terms, therefore 2a plus 2b into e raised to x minus 5a. 4 e raised to x minus 25. Compare e raised to x coefficient, that is 2a plus 2b is equal to 4, that is a plus b is equal to 2, and minus 5 is equal to 25. Minus 5 is equal to minus 25. Therefore a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Put a is equal to 5 in this. 5 transfer. B is equal to 2 minus 5 minus 3. A 5 B minus 3. A 5 B minus 3. B option. Next example. Example number 10. 1 integration 1 plus tan square upon 1 minus tan square dx is equal to. Now we know that formula. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square. Now this is reverse. Therefore I write it is equal to integration 1 by cos 2x. 1 by cos it is sec 2x. Integration sec log sec x plus tan x. Therefore its integration log modulus sec 2x plus tan 2x upon coefficient as a 2 upon 2 plus c. 1 by 2 log sec 2x plus tan 2x plus c. A option.